Good morning, everyone. I'd like to provide the community with another update from Mayor, Council, and City staff about the novel coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic situation. Council and City staff continue to work with the province and Interior Health to put measures in place that will protect and provide comfort to the residents of Revelstoke. Council recognized emergency planning as one of their top priorities. The province declared a provincial state of emergency on March 18, 2020. And the city activated a Level 1 Emergency Operations Center, EOC, on that same day. On March 22nd, the Chief Administrative Officer escalated our Emergency Operations Center to a Level 2 in an effort to moderate an event and create a complete list of external agencies involved. An Emergency Operations Center involves all senior staff trained in emergency operations and will allow the city to support Interior Health and our residents if the system becomes overwhelmed. We continue to monitor the local situation daily and are prepared to take action if required. The city is currently working with the province on a plan to offer facilities to meet the needs of our community if required. The response goals in an emergency operations center are to provide for the safety and health of all responders, save lives, reduce suffering, protect public health, protect government infrastructure, protect property, protect the environment, and of course, reduce economic and social losses. At this point, the EOC is active from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday and is staffed by a team of 4 who are responsible for overall emergency policy, coordination, agency liaison, and proper risk management procedures through the joint efforts of local government agencies and private organizations. Our community is working together to protect the health and safety of our residents, and I'm proud of all of our efforts. The attitude, we are all in this together, is really shining through. It is everyone's responsibility to continue to follow government regulations, and I repeat, practice social distancing always. That means 2 meters or 6 feet between each other. Imagine the length of a hockey stick between you and the person beside you. Stay home as much as possible. Wash our hands and keep our homes wiped clean. Practice self-isolation if you're unwell or have traveled outside of the country. On March 26, 2020, an order was issued under the Emergency Program Act that addresses local governments' immediate procedural concerns. Under this order, local governments will be able to hold meetings to make necessary essential decisions for their community in this state of emergency, without the public present, with the expectation that decisions made on the order will focus on emergency and time-restricted decisions related to finances. It will also allow elected officials to meet through electronic mediums while allowing local governments to conduct their day-to-day business as they follow physical distancing requirements. Allow local governments to give 3 readings of a bylaw and allow a bylaw to be passed and adopted in the same day. And provides bylaw enforcement officers with the regulatory powers to provide the public health officers orders of social distancing, no mass gatherings, and monitor businesses and services that were ordered closed. Enforcement officers will be in the community ensuring the orders are adhered to and gathering evidence if there is a violation of the orders. At the March 26th, 2020 Special Council meeting, Council adopted a loan authorization bylaw that will allow the municipality to borrow money for operations of the city, if required. The financial plan bylaw was also adopted with the understanding that, if required, amendments could be made throughout the year. Council also adopted a bylaw to offer some financial relief to the business community by changing the second quarter utility due date from April 30th to 2 equal payments due on July 31st and October 31st, 2020. The city continues to request the province consider amending the legislation to push back the property tax due date and consider waiving of all penalties. I continue to acknowledge all the non-essential business and services that have closed their doors and recognize this is not an easy time. Know that you are all saving lives and helping to slow the spread of the virus. The city is working with the Chamber of Commerce, Tourism, and Community Futures to provide business owners with the information to help them access emergency funds as well as prepare for their recovery. You may notice that some public works staff are cleaning streets and sidewalks. Staff are adhering to strict protocols for safety and are attempting to ensure that the air quality remains healthy for our residents. Revelstoke, you are doing such an amazing job, especially following the public health orders to stay safe and protect each other. We are setting the standards that other municipalities are following. At this time, we need to keep doing what we have been doing. Stay home. We cannot be complacent if we wish to keep safe and healthy. Keep up the good work, Revelstoke, and thank you for what you're doing.